Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add watermark to your Instagram Reels. So if you want to protect your videos from piracy, or maybe someone who want to use your videos unresponsibly, you can just use or add your watermark to your reels. So unfortunately, in Instagram doesn't offer a built-in feature to directly add watermarks to reels. However, there are a few creative workarounds that you can use to add watermark. You can add tags to your Instagram Reels using the Instagram editing here. So let's just open Instagram first. So you can just record or upload your videos to Instagram Reels. You can click on this plus icon to open the Instagram camera, and don't forget to choose Reel in here. Then you can just select the videos that you want to upload into Reels. For example, I'm going to use this videos right here. And then what you need to do is just use the text tool to add your username or a custom watermark that you want. You can click on this AA at the bottom. So for example, I'm going to just write tongue hacks in here. Then you can adjust the font, size, color, and position of the text that fit your preference. For example, in here, I'm going to change the phone into signature. You can tap on done. Here you can adjust the size and also the position to how you like it, and then you can just tap on next and upload your reels to Instagram. Or the second method, you can also use a third-party video editing apps like CapCut, InShot, or Adobe Premiere Rush. You can add the watermark using the app's watermark features to add your logo or tags to the video. And you can also, and after that, you can just save the watermark video and upload it to Instagram Reels. Or the last one, you can also use a transparent PNG logo. Design a transparent PNG image of your logo or watermark, and then you can use the sticker tool in Instagram to add your logo as a sticker. And you can position the logo on your reels and adjust its size and opacity. So remember that these methods require some extra effort, but they can effectively protect your content and add a professional touch to your reels. So I hope these tips will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.